right now. Can you see it okay?
Perfect.
Good. So, hi everyone. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Federico Bachnerman. I'm the CEO of M4Life, a biotech company from Argentina. Our project was born in CONICET, Argentina's National Council of Science and Technology, which is one of the largest and most prestigious scientific institutions in Latin America. Our team brings together decades of research and experience in microbiology, soil science, and plant physiology. We came together to solve one of agriculture's most urgent problems: how to produce more food using less land and fewer resources, while regenerating degraded soils and reducing environmental impact. That's what M4Life is all about. We are currently conducting pilot trials with several leading companies in the agricultural sector. Some of our partners include Syngenta, Bioceres, Nufarm, Barenbrug, Elementa Foods, Moolec, Novonesis, among others. And these collaborations are allowing us to validate our product in a wide range of crops and geographies. Now we are very excited to bring this work to New Zealand. So our technology is a microbial coating that can be applied either to seeds or to the substrate used for seedlings. What makes our solution unique is that we use a proprietary method called biotraining, where we expose beneficial microbes to stress conditions such as drought, high salinity, and extreme temperatures, so that they develop resilience and enhance performance. Once applied, these microbes colonize the root systems and form biofilm that contains exopolysaccharides. This biofilm retains water, repels salt, and enhances the plant's ability to absorb nutrients from the soil. It creates a kind of protective environment around the root zone, helping the plant survive and thrive under challenging conditions. Our product is fully compatible with current agricultural practices. It does not require any changes in how farmers plant, irrigate, or fertilize. It's simple to adopt and highly scalable. We have tested this solution in more than 120 field trials across a wide range of crops and environments. This includes soybeans, corn, wheat, sunflower, chickpea, yellow pea, lupin, safflower, forage, and pastures crops, and even foresty species. Across all these trials, we observe consistent and remarkable outcomes. Yields increase up to 45%, depending on the crop and stress level, but also the biomass increased by up to 60%. And in legumes, for example, we observe an improving nodulation, which is critical for nitrogen fixation. We also record significant improvement in grain quality, for example, up to 14% more protein in pulses and cereals, which is of great value for both food and feed applications. Perhaps one of the most interesting results is that we are able to achieve the same and often better productivity using less than 50% of the usual irrigation. So our product enables crops to perform with half of this water. We have already 2 commercial products in Argentina already approved by the regulator. We are now launching our first pilots programs in New Zealand, and we're looking for innovative partners to join us. The pilot is designed for a single growing season and will focus on crops such as pastures, forage species, cover crops, cereals, and forestry. The product has already been shipped and will be ready for application shortly. Participation, of course, is free of charge. The cost of the product is fully covered by M4Life. And on the regulatory side, which is something interesting, is that everything is already in place. The microbes species we work with are already present in New Zealand natural ecosystems. And we have received official authorization from the EPA to conduct these pilots. So there's no delays and obstacles. We are ready to go. And this picture was taken in one of our field trials. The soil is exactly the same. The only difference is on the right-hand side, we applied our solution. If you're interested in joining the pilot or just want to learn more about how our technology might work with your crops in your region, please reach out to us. We are here and ready to collaborate with the New Zealand farming community. Thank you so much.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Federico. I've had a couple of questions come through for margins. So what I might do is I might bring Jorge back on while people take the opportunity to reflect on everything that Federico shared on the M4Life and the pilot that's available, and also obviously take the opportunity to scan that QR code with your cell phone as we go. So 2 questions for you here, Jorge. So first one was a great concept, really interesting. The agronomic conditions are based on meteorological based, or does it go into soil type and other biological features?
Yeah, that's a very good question. So the way we match the areas right now is a combination. So we used weather, obviously, so average temperature, humidity. We also take into account growing degree days, radiation as a total input. But then we also go into different soil types and available humidity on the soil. We also plan to obviously continue to add more variables into the model, some of them being proprietary, as we collect data from the customers that allows us to make the model even more interesting and more unique. But yeah, we take into account a number of different variables across weather, soil, and including markets.
Perfect, thank you. And then the next question is, what agronomy data are you using to identify the like-for-like grower regions, e.g. climate, soil type, rainfall?
Yeah, I guess it's a similar question, probably answered under the same umbrella.
Oh, so same application across both.
Correct. Same set of variables.
Thank you very much. Cool. I will bring Federico back onto the screen as we have a question that has popped up for M4Life. So this question is, what countries have these trials been replicated in, and is it compatible with seed applied fungicides? So 2 questions in one.
So thank you. So first, the 120 trials was performed in Argentina. We are now starting trials in Chile, the Emirates, and we already have committed a trial in New Zealand. But the interesting point is that the regulatory agency in Argentina asked to perform trials in 3 different geographical zones along the country. So we have performed the trials all along Argentina, in the hot part of the country, also in cold weather. Just for you to have an idea, Argentina from south to north is like the United States from east to west. So it's a pretty long country about that. And in terms of application with fungicides, this is 100% compatible with other products in the market, even fungicides at the same time. It does not affect at all our technology. Even that, we can apply our technology on top of other biological products as well.